the atomic symbol of hydrogen?
8.
Atomic number. How about carbon?
6.
Atomic number.
6.
How about oxygen?
Oh.
Atomic number.
8.
How about helium?
8.
Atomic number.
2.
Very good. How about calcium?
8.
Atomic number.
3.
Very good. How about atomic symbol of lithium? Atomic number.
3.
Very good. How about boron?
B.
Atomic number.
5.
How about nitrogen?
N.
Atomic number.
7.
Very good. How about fluorine? Atomic number.
9.
Very good. How about potassium?
10.
Atomic number.
19.
How about boron?
3.
Atomic number.
5.
Very good. How about